All right, let's start with setting up our development environment. So first, what we want to do is create a folder anywhere in our directory. I've just named this Wave tutorial. And what we want to do is first check our Python version. So we'll just type Python 3 version. And thankfully, I think for me, it's 3.12, which works well. Note that anything above 3.7 should work fine for a Wave package. So now that we've just checked which version our Python is running in, we want to create our virtual environment. And the way we do that is just simply type in Python and then ven. So this basically creates a virtual environment. As you can see here, we have a folder here called ven. And following this, now we want to activate our virtual environment. So we'll just say source bin activate. Awesome. So now we have our virtual environment activated, and now all that's left to do is to install our H2O Wave package. So we'll just say pip install H2O Wave. Perfect. So now this is completed with downloading the H2O Wave package. We're getting this notification here to basically upgrade our pip. So we'll go ahead and do that. Awesome. So now that that's done, those are all the steps to install the H2O Wave package. So we're pretty much done there. One last step that you want to make sure is make sure that you have the extension already downloaded. So if you're in VS Code or PyCharm specifically, you can go to your extensions and install this H2O Wave extension to improve your Wave app development process. It's basically a very simple way in which you can add snippets so that you don't have to remember all the syntax. Awesome. So after this, we're going to move on to create our very first application. So stay tuned.